it's gonna be. Unless he comes on the bottom and walks up the road. Yeah. I feel like he's gonna pitch into this side. Try to get outside now, but I don't know.
Yeah, I say we just get in the woods a little bit easy. They gotta go right or left. He can't go straight away from us. Either way he goes, we can get around us. Set up right on the edge of the field, facing into the woods. Not the best setup, but we might be able to make it work right here. We're going to throw out a couple soft tree yelps, like Justin just did right there, and see what happens.
Hell yeah.
Dude, he was behind that shit. I saw his head move twice.
funny.
I can't believe, did you see him?
Yeah, I could have shot him right here, but he's coming this way. I was gonna let you kill him.
This stuff right here,
Yeah.
I saw his head move like twice, and then he stopped, and I like got down, and I could barely see my red dot, so I brightened it up a little bit, and he took one more step, and the head went whoop, and I was like, okay, Weston.
One pull up with 10, one-on-one never again. One-on-one, get the cake in the butter, I kinda like hustle the money all in. Rhyming the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk you can hear. Hearing all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W, due for a win. Stroking the slow and the push, yeah, I'm having the snow bunny pull up a leg. Fight for my dummy, you don't see how I'm coming, don't tip me, I'm right on the edge. Guinness is young and I been had to shoot out some money all under my bed. 2018 came a million, I made a career and they thought it'd be dead. Hot getting cold, my body cold, I barely get rest. I hit her one time, told her pull up again, making a little bit of stretch. We getting it in the back of the Benz, gripping the back of her neck. I wanna put mirror 10 on the tent, I wanna see the reflection. I'm the best dressed at the Met. Blue web in her dress, I know how to dress. Turn the drill to a flex. Just stick at the chick.